So we're going to keep going. So for number 10, what you're going to do is they want to know how long real cowboys live. All right. So what they did is they were looking to see the cowboys in the West Texas and Southeast New Mexico around the year of 1890. So they took the death, probably the birth and the death, and they subtracted to get the actual age of these cowboys. So they have 32 cowboys, and they want to make a stem and leaf plot. All right. So I'm going to look at my numbers, and it looks like I have the smallest would be 4. And so then I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay. So I think I've covered everything I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is go look for my 40s. And I only have one for 47. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my 50s. I've got a 58. I'm going to fix it in just a minute. 58, 52. Oops. Yep, 52. And again, you can do this on scratch paper because you're allowed scratch paper for the midterm. And 58. Okay, so I've gotten all the 50s because there were 4. All right, so what I'm going to do then is they're out of order. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2, 7, 8, 8. Oops. And I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. And then I'm going to put them in that way. Okay. And I'm not sure if you have to put the spaces between them. So I'm just going to do like this because in the real world, you don't. You just put them right beside each other. Okay. So let's do the 60s. All right. So I've got a 68, a 66, another 66, another 68, 61, and that's all I have for the 60s. Okay, so those again are out of order. So I'm going to do 1, 6, 6, 8, 8. Because again, I'm going to put them in order. And again, check yourself. Right now I'm drawing a blank if they need to be ordered next to each other or not. Okay, or if they need to be spaced. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep, by spaces. Well, that was stupid. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to do that, that, and that. And then I'm going to do this. I'm just putting spaces in. That's it. Okay. All right, so next is 70s. So let's go look at the 70s. Okay, so I got a 72. I got a 73. I got a 75. I got 72, 73, 77, 76. Okay, did I miss any? I've got 2. Oh, I did miss one. Okay, I'm going to check myself. I got 2. I got 3. I forgot that 0 right there, and that's really important. So I'm going to put that in there. I got my 5. I got my 2. I got my 3. I got my 7. And I got my 6. And there's my 0 from before. Okay, so I'm going to put them in order. I've got 0, 2 2s, right? 2 3s, 1 5, 1 6, and 1 7. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and delete that. All right, let's go look at my 80s. Okay, I got a 6. I got a 9. I got a 4. I got a 7. I got a 6. I got a 5. I got a 4. I got a 4. So what does that make me? I have, looks like I got everything. Okay, so I've got 3 4s, 4, 4, 4. I've got 1 5. I've got 2 6s. And then I've got a 7. And I got a 9. Okay. All right, so there's that. All right, so let's look at the 9. Okay, so if I go up here, I've got a 7. I've got 2 1s, 1, 1. And then I've got a 2. Keep going. I've got a 0. And I got a 3. Did I get everything? I think I did. Let me go back and check. Okay, 7, 1, 1, 2, 0, and 3. Okay, so I'm going to put those in order. 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3. All right, and then I'm going to clear this out. All right, so here we go. Now I have my graph. So when I'm looking at the shape, I'm going to look and see, like, a lot of cowboys didn't die in their 40s or 50s or 60s. but a lot of them died in their 70s, 80s, and 90s. So if I look at that, I want to see. Cowboys are found to be among the best sons of best families. The truth is probably because most were not drunken, gambling lot, quick to draw or fire their pistols. Does this data distribution on longevity lead credence to that quote? Well, I think it does because cowboys were living long ages, especially in the 1890s, because I have a lot of data in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So that's my answer for number 10. Hope this helps.